Hey guys, Brendan here in my Costa Rica villa vacation home. And in this video, I want to share with you some of the key supplements that I brought from Canada to here, Costa Rica, in order for me to ensure that I have an amazing vacation and reaching some of my supplemental needs. Now, this is, in my opinion, the bare bones minimum type of supplements that you might need to take with you on an extended vacation or even a short vacation, just to ensure that you've got a good time and you don't have any issues with your digestion or your health. If you don't know who I am, my name is Brendan. I'm also known as the Gut Whisperer, and I help individuals lose weight, reduce inflammation, heal and seal from their leaky gut in my process, my method. It is a GFL 6-week program where I literally can heal and seal your gut. Now, let's begin talking about the supplements that I brought from Canada to Costa Rica to help with my health and to ensure that I don't have any challenges and just to make sure that everything stays good. So first and foremost, I'm gonna go with this one. This is Saccharomyces boulardii. I'm gonna spell it out. Saccharomycin. This is also known as the Traveler's Probiotic. It is from a strain of a yeast, and basically this probiotic really helps individuals when they're on vacation kind of recover from traveler's diarrhea, or this can also act as a preventative from getting traveler's diarrhea. Because let's face it, getting diarrhea when you're on the beach or on your vacation or you're out at a restaurant, it's not fun. You don't want to have an emergency getaway to the toilet because you've got an emergency diarrhea episode happening. So this can help prevent you from getting your traveler's diarrhea, and it can also help you recover from traveler's diarrhea. Now, personally, I've been having the most amazing poops every single day, every single morning, nice long spiral snake poops. It's the best feeling ever, especially when you're on vacation, because I'm not having any bowel issues. So, Saccharomycin, it's one of my favorites. I would recommend you take this a week before your vacation, during your vacation, and then also a week after your vacation, just to make sure you are really helping facilitate good quality beneficial bacteria in your gut. So that's Saccharomycin. Now, we're gonna continue with the probiotics. This is another form of a beneficial bacteria, predominantly Lactobacillus and Bifidobacterium. There's 100 billion colony-forming units per each capsule. So that means it's a quite large, diverse spectrum of beneficial bacteria. And I take one of these every day. These are made by Zymogen. They're not available at retail stores. This is like, as a professional practitioner, I get all my clients to use these. So I'm taking one of these every day. I take 1 to 2 of these every day. And then this is made by Genestra. It's called HMF, and it's called Neural Cognition. So this is another different strain of beneficial bacteria. It's a probiotic, and it's good for the gut-brain connection. So I like taking these different kinds of probiotics before, during, and after my trip, really just helping facilitate nice, healthy bacteria in my gut, because I'm being exposed to all different kinds of bacteria that I'm not used to. Some of them are good, some of them are bad, but if I've got good, adequate amounts of healthy bacteria, that will sort of ward off any chances of me developing an imbalance of bad pathogenic bacteria or opportunistic bacteria. So there's that. Since we're talking about probiotics, this is a probiotic for my dog, Simba. So I brought this. This helps with her digestion, stress, any sort of issues that she might have. So every meal, she gets just a little scoop of beneficial probiotic for my dog, Simba. You know what, since we're gonna continue talking about her, so this is colostrum. Colostrum is what the mom makes when she gives birth, and colostrum is what the baby consumes for the first 5 days of birth when they are breastfeeding. Colostrum has all of the immunoglobulins, the growth factors, the IGF. This is very, very good for your immune system. In fact, colostrum is the #1 world provided and suggested supplement for individuals with HIV because it supports their immune system. So colostrum is very, very good. I brought it as a preventative just in case Simba got sick or she was exposed to anything. I brought this, and she's just getting a little bit every single meal as well. A lot of people compliment my skin because I get a tan nice and easy and I don't burn. That being said, I pace myself. I really make sure that I don't overexpose myself to sun. I try to do like 20-minute increments upon first arrival, and then I really get more and more and more sun exposure. I don't wear sunblock, maybe a little bit on my face, sometimes on my neck if I know I'm going out for a long, long time, but I take fish oils. I take 3 to 4 grams of fish oils every single day, and I learned this trick many, many years ago when I was living in Jamaica. One of my mentors, Dr. Nando Berjus, he said, Coatsers, take fish oil, and it'll help just kind of like keep your skin naturally oily and hydrated, so it'll reduce the likeliness of you burning. And to this day, like, I don't burn. So I take 3 to 4 grams of these every day. So that's that. White willow bark. This is a natural pain relief, natural supplement. It is a derivative of white willow tree. I get all my clients to take this when they're doing a detox, if they've got headaches or anything like that. There's been a couple times when I have taken it, especially after my sacred mushroom ceremony. I had a big, big headache afterwards. Stay tuned for that video. I'll put that up right there. That video is a whole different, conversation. But I had a big headache and I took my white willow bark, and that just helped alleviate some of the pain from my headache. So white willow bark, also just good to have, just in case someone gets a headache or they've got some joint pain or something like that, or maybe they hurt themselves. White willow bark, much better than Tylenol or Advil. Now this is mycelium. This is reishi mushroom extract. It's mycelium. Mycelium is the root system of the mushroom. And mycelium has been proven to really help with the nervous system, nerves, pathways, the synapses of the nerves, right? That's how nerves communicate with one another, and it's fantastic for the brain. So I really like taking these every day. I also give one capsule every day to Simba as well in her food. It's kind of like a non-negotiable. Salt. This is Redmond Real Sea Salt. No, it's not sea salt, it's Mind Salt. And I just take this every day, put it on my meals. I make sure that I'm salting all my meals because I want all of the minerals that come along with the salt. And when you're drinking lots and lots of water, you're sweating out a lot of sweat, you're sweating out a lot of moisture, and you're sweating out a lot of minerals. So it's very, very important that you stay hydrated and you stay mineralized. And so I do that with Redmond Salt. When I first arrived, I was doing a 5-day water fast. And if you want to know about that experience, I've got a video right here, and you can watch that about my 5-day water fast experience. I also consume, now I don't have a relationship with this company, but this company product is called Relight, and it has additional electrolytes. So it's got sodium, potassium, chloride, and magnesium without anything artificially sweetened or anything like that. So you just put some in your water and you continue to drink that. So very, very important to stay hydrated, and even for my workouts. And then last but not least, this is magnesium citrate. This might be hands down one of the best supplements that you take on your vacation, because magnesium citrate acts on your bowels. It relaxes your bowels, and it also creates a sort of chemical reaction with the pH and the alkalinity and the acidity in your bowels, and it really pulls a lot of moisture from your body, puts that moisture in your colon to allow you to poop if you're constipated. So magnesium citrate, I always bring it whenever I go on travel. Sometimes, the stress of being at the airport and arriving and, change of environment, that can be stressful, and that can really prevent you from taking a nice bowel movement. So I always have magnesium citrate. I did use it after my fast, and it really helped, and then I haven't needed it ever since. But magnesium citrate, it has to be magnesium citrate. Good tool for you to bring on your vacation, just in case you experience some constipation from some stress of changing the environment and the plane ride and all that stuff. So there you have it. That's my stack. This is what I bring when I'm on vacation. I've been using all of them. They all have a major, major place in my life and in my health, as well as my dog Simba. So I hope you found that valuable. Share this with someone. Definitely, if you know they're going on vacation, or if you're going on vacation, save this and maybe leave a comment below. Let me know what supplements you like to bring on your vacation that you've helped, or that have helped you, maybe steer some issues that you may have had. So with all that being said, my name is Brendan. I'm also known as the Gut Whisperer. Thanks so much for watching this video. And if you liked it, hit a like, hit a subscribe for more things gut health. Gut Whisperer out.